Hey guys, Chris here from TD Motion. Have a 4R70W 4x4 setup. This is the whole package. Let's run through it. All right, here you have it. This is the 4R70W 4x4 package that we offer. So let's just run through it. This transmission is far from just a factory transmission. We team up with Gearstar. Been working with them for years. We've tried the rest. Now we only do the best. So they stand behind the product. We're going to stand behind it as well. All the proper instructions, and call us with any details that are needed with the install. So let's just kind of run through it here. This transmission is, I said, specific for the 4x4s. This is actually going into a 74 Bronco. Not a huge amount of horsepower, but big torque, big tires. So you need something that can withstand that. And what's going to make this specific for the 4x4 is this tail shaft. So we put this tail shaft on the end here, which is compatible with the Dana 20 transfer case. You have your electronics here, your shift lever. This has been tested and dyno tested with as an endurance test, an operational test. We're equivalent to about 100 miles on it. Goes through all the shift points. This is a 4-speed, has the overdrive gear. Similar in dimensions to an AOD. An AOD is just the mechanical version of the 4R70W. So the 4R70W is a step above for the fact that you don't have the mechanical adjustments that go with the AOD. And it's crucial to get the pressure settings right on the AOD. So with the 4R70W, it's all electronic and it can just withstand more torque and horsepower. This has the steel billet. This is a 10-inch converter. Probably stalls in around that 2,600 plus stall, which is ideal for most straight performance applications. All upgraded bearings, clutches, bands, the whole works here. So let's see what else it comes with. So you're going to get the mid plate. This mid plate goes in between the block and the flex plate, necessary in order to get the proper spacing of the starter to index that properly. You have the SFI approved flex plate here. This is a 164 tooth flex plate. Just specify to us what the balance of the engine is. Typically in the Fords, it's going to be either 28 ounce or 50 ounce. Could be rebalanced to 0. That's something we'll just need to know and discuss. Comes with a transmission oil cooler, the Raleigh cooler. That's going to mount to the front of the radiator. You have the fittings off of that. You have the transmission fluid here. It automatically has some residual fluid in there, but of course you're going to need some more to add to it. And then you have the whole harness here for the controller. So the instructions are there for the final plugins, and you could do all the fine tuning necessary in order to get firmer shifts if you like. So this whole 4x4 4R70W package available through tdmotion.com.